What if the greatest danger to the Muslim world is not an army or a weapon, but a silent financial trap so perfectly engineered that most people don't even realize they're inside it? A system that looks normal, feels harmless, yet quietly destroys the economic justice the Quran came to protect. The real mystery is who built this system, and how did the Ummah fall into it without noticing? The trap begins. There was a time when money meant value: gold, silver, honest trade. Islamic economics stood on justice, no exploitation, no artificial inflation, no riba. But in Europe, powerful merchants and governments created a different system. A system built for endless borrowing, endless control. Origins. In the 1600s, early bankers discovered a dangerous idea. People don't withdraw all their money at once. So banks began lending money they didn't have. Money created from nothing. Islam called it injustice. The world called it innovation. The rise. By the 1800s, the system spread across Europe. Debt replaced real wealth. Interest replaced trade. Even governments became slaves to borrowed money. The Quranic economic balance was quietly replaced by a man-made machine fueled by riba, the breaking point. In 1971, money was disconnected from gold forever. Now currency could be printed without limits. Inflation became permanent, savings lost value, and the trap tightened on the entire world. This moment erased the last remaining barrier between Islamic justice and global financial exploitation. Fallout. Prices rose, wages froze, housing slipped out of reach. Countries fell into debt slavery, borrowing money just to pay interest. Wealth flowed upward toward those who control the creation of money. Failed fixes. Politicians tried reforms and digital experiments. But how do you fix a system built on the very injustice Allah forbade? Every solution strengthened the trap because the root disease riba remained untouched. Modern reality. The world now owes over $300 trillion. While only a tiny fraction exists as real money, exactly the cycle the Quran warned about. Unchecked riba gives injustice, gives collapse, gives rebuilding on more riba. 3 lessons. 1. This trap is silent because it works best when unnoticed. 2. Islamic economics was an old tradition. It was protection from this injustice. 3. Without understanding money, riba, and justice, the Ummah will remain trapped. Ending and call to action. The question is not when will the system collapse. The real question is, will we recognize the trap before it tightens further? If you want more people to understand this hidden danger, share this video, support the channel, and let's revive the economic justice Allah gave us before it is too late.